So January has been a slower month than usual for me, and here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be posting more listings. I'm gonna be trying to make quicker shipping, and the reason I'm gonna do that is because my shipping badge was taken away because I have a lot of custom orders that require approval from the clients. And if the clients don't approve, then I can't do anything. So I'm going to take that away. I'm going to be posting more consistently. Instead of like one new product a week, I'm going to try and make one product each and every other day, like 3.54 a week. That's going to be good. I'm going to try and make listings like this one that are completely already modified and the client only customizes the name or the text. For example, here, take a look at this. These listings, I have it already on the draft, like Juju's Garden. This client can only, like, if he wants to purchase it, he could only customize the text. Same here. Whenever, let me put my mic on. Whenever the client wants to customize this, he can only customize either Camp Marley and the established date, or maybe welcome to Camp Marley, like the first line of text, the second line of text, and then the final line of text. So that's what I'm trying to achieve because it's been really hard for me to keep up with the shipping deadlines whenever there's a lot of custom artwork involved. I think clients on Etsy specifically like to ask their mom, ask their brother, ask everybody, and it's really hard for me to get a really quick approval in 4 years. I mean, when I started out, Etsy had, in one moment, I had like 458 orders that I was like pending on my shop because people didn't approve it. So now what I'm trying to do is trying to make more listings that don't require a lot of customization to them. So each and every time, like I put in the other video, every time somebody asks me for a specific request, if I understand it's easy and if I can do it at the moment, because one of the things I've learned is that if they're asking you a question and you could draw it like instantly and send it to them, first, they're going to be really happy. Second, they're going to purchase it quickly because you're responding and you're giving good customer service. The client is literally hot. It's not a cold client, it's a hot client. He's willing to purchase. And if you send that artwork, he'll approve it instantly, he'll purchase it, and then you can do it. If it's like that, I like to just send it, even though they haven't paid me for it. But I'll just send it and just say, hey, thanks for thinking about me. Here's how it's gonna look. And I already have a couple templates here. Like for example, if it was a laser sign, see, I'll just like modify the text and just send them a picture. It's Illustrator. So that's one of the things I'm trying to do, but I'm not always in the computer. Like if I'm at a baseball game with my kids or whatever, I'll just try and let them know how to come out using my words, but I'm not in a position to send them a picture. So anyway, I'll just try and do that. But if it's like the morning today, it's Friday, I haven't done anything. I'm just literally drawing all clients' artworks and sending them out. And if I receive a message, then I'll just send them like quickly. That's like a 99% chance that they'll do that. Also, I'm going to be working later on, which I'm going to grab in the video, in another video. I'm going to include a postcard on each of the clients' orders, thanking them, a space for me to handwrite, like, thank you, Carl, hope you have a good anniversary. And then a QR code for my website, my social medias, and my YouTube channel. Because I'm trying to have a very wood basement YouTube channel just for the SEO footprint sake, which is another video, how to talk SEO. So I think that's gonna be real cool. It's gonna help me a lot. I'm gonna show you guys how it's been going. That's another video, that's 3 videos. I'm gonna make a quick Excel sheet on the different platforms I sell and just put what I'm making on each. I know it's gonna be revenue, which isn't really a transparent process because, I mean, let's be honest, Etsy takes like 25% of like all revenue just on fees and shipping. So, and my product cost is like 10-20%. So I mean, we can't really make that claim that if I sell 1 million, I'll earn 1 million. That's not really how it works. I know some people like to do that and just confuse everybody, but I'm not like that. So I think that's gonna be good. That's gonna be helpful, and we're gonna just keep on documenting everything we do, because whenever we look back at next year, when we're in 2026, and we're gonna be looking at this day, then we can just figure out where were we, what was our mentality, how much we've grown, and what are the things we did to grow. Because most of the time, the things that you did in order for you to improve, once you improve, you forgot what you did because you already like have another mentality, and then you forget on the small little details that made you go where you are right now. So that's the only reason I'm trying to document. I'm trying to be transparent. I'm trying to be like totally honest with you guys. I know there's been a couple comments that my videos have been helpful. I'm really glad for that. I'm just trying to motivate whoever. I mean, if I'm from Puerto Rico and I could sell 6 figures each year, 7 figures, I mean, you in the States could definitely sell that, because you could make like larger items, which are harder for me to compete with, or have more drop shipping items available, which is also harder for me to try and get my way around it. But I'm trying to include some drop shipping items, and that's gonna be another thing I'm gonna do, at least for Christmas. I'm gonna get my ornaments already designed and just put in the shop, so I'll have like the 1,000 listings I'm aiming for. I think that's about all for today, the update. I'm gonna grab a video later on today. I'm gonna put this on, edit this, and just keep on watching. I mean, things are going slow, but they're going good, and we're just gonna keep adjusting along the way, and we're gonna keep on the design process, optimizing it so it can be more efficient and just like go straight through. Okay.